Connect the gas pipe to the welding machine. Open the air valve. Open the front cabinet door. Unscrew the water filling part of the water tank. Observe the water level scale. Fill the water tank with purified or distilled water to the normal area. Close the water tank cover and the front cabinet door. Press the laser and control panel buttons. Adjust the laser focus of the welding gun. Set the welding parameters in the control panel according to the welding material. Set the interface password to 333333. Set the corresponding wire feeder parameters according to the welder parameter. Clamp the ground wire. Clamp on the welding table. Welding demonstration after commissioning. Display of welding finished product.